Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onyi Best, and you're welcome to Onyi Best Beauty Patente B. Okay guys, hope you're doing well. Yeah, hope you're doing good. Hope this weather is wow to you. Yeah, it's so cold here. Okay guys, this place is so cold. Wherever you're watching from, like Italy is very cold. We are hoping and waiting for summer. I am waiting for summer. I don't know about you, but I am waiting for summer. Like every day I sing it. When will this summer come? It's too cold. Okay, guys, let's get started. In today's video, we'll be talking about Pannello per Carichi Sporgenti. Okay, most of us must have seen this Pannello, but today, maybe we don't even know the meaning. We might have seen it, but don't know the meaning. Today, we're going to know the meaning and why it's being placed at the back of vehicles. Okay, guys. If you have not shared my video, please do it to share my video, like my video. If you like my videos, please click the like button. Okay, and of course, turn on your notification bell most importantly, so that anytime I post a new video, you will get notified. Okay, let's get started. In this video, like I said, we are discussing Pannello per Carichi Sporgenti. So these are panels for vehicles with protruding load. Vehicles will be say their load shoot out for back. Ooh. Yeah, they must apply this Pannello. Okay. So il pannello per Carichi Sporgenti deve essere retroriflettente. Must be reflective. Go to shine bubble. Deve essere applicato in ogni caso in cui il carico sporge posteriormente, anche se di poco. So it must be applied. Okay, let me calm down a bit. They must put on for vehicles where we say the load they carry, it come out for back. It come out, it shoot out for back. Yeah, that's the right word, shoot. It shoot out for back. Even if it's a small, it shoot out. You must put this Pannello. Segnala carichi indivisibili che sporgono dalla parte posteriore dei veicoli per non più di 3/10 della lunghezza dei veicoli. Now, it can signal load, we say it come out, it shoot out for your vehicle backpack of the vehicle, it shoot out goes more. For not more than 3/10 of the length of the vehicle. Just 3/10 of the length of the vehicle. In all parts like that. Then you can apply this particular Pannello. You will be saying you carry something, you say shoot out small for back. You need this Pannello for your vehicle. Se il carico, let me show you the picture for okay, this is it. Just as seen, this one is carrying 1. Okay, this one is carrying 2. There's a reason why this is 2. We're going to see that now, okay? Se il carico sporge longitudinalmente per intera lunghezza della parte posteriore dei veicoli. Now, if the load you can carry, it can't shoot out, can affect the largeness of the vehicle, just as seen, okay? It not just shoot out small like this, it can affect both sides, the sides of the vehicle. I pannello devono essere 2. Now, the pannello must be 2. Posti traversamenti alla 2 estremità del carico. The pannello must be 2, posted at the 2 sides of the load. Okay, just as seen in this picture. Picture. So, let's get started again. Here we okay, estremità dei veicoli. So posted at the 2 sides, just as seen, okay, like the picture I just showed you. Può essere messo su veicoli guasti quando vengono frenate e non funzionano la luce di emergenza. Now, if you place that for vehicles where we say it don't spoil, where they tow, vehicle where they faulty, where they tow. If the luce di emergenza, the quattro freccia, it don't spoil, you know the function. If you put this particular pannello, for back of the vehicle. Ok, that's what it's trying to tell you. Invita i conducenti che stanno dietro a veicoli su cui è applicato a circolare con particolare prudenza. Now, it will tell you where the driver, where they drive at the back of this vehicle, where they place this thing, this particular pannello. So as you say, they drive at the back of vehicle with this thing, then place some for the back of the vehicle. So it will tell you to drive with caution. It will tell you as a driver driving at the back of this particular vehicle to drive with caution. Okay. Now we are seeing another one, another pannello. This one is for pannello per merci pericoloso, for dangerous goods. This pannello is being used for dangerous goods, okay? It says, segnalando i veicoli che stanno trasportando merci pericolose. Now, it is signal vehicles where they transport dangerous goods. Devono essere fissati davanti e dietro ai veicoli. Now, it must be placed at the front and the back of these vehicles. So let's see this picture. This picture you're seeing, you see the sign here. Okay, now the man placed it for in front, right? Then at the back of his vehicle, it should be placed, it must be placed there. Okay, so by the back and the front, it must be seen on this particular vehicle that is transporting dangerous goods. Okay, sono integrati con due serie numeri indicata il tipo di pericolo e la materiale trasportata. So they must be integrated with two series of number, okay, just as seen, just as seen, to tell you the particular goods where they carry. So those where they carry fuel, they get a particular number. It not necessarily means say it will be like this. No be more say it will be just like 331203. No. If you can change, if you can be 2, 3, 5, whatever, just to indicate the particular dangerous substance that they carry, particular dangerous goods that they transport, okay? All of them get, benzene are getting on, gas getting on, you know, they get their own numero. So I think this one I even brought out here is for benzene. Okay, but they have other substances that are dangerous. They have their particular numero, their particular numbers, okay? It must not necessarily be this particular one, but this is how it will look like when you see it. Pannello per veicoli adibiti a trasporto merci con massa a pieno carico superiore a 3,5 tonnellate. Now, this pannello are for vehicles that transport goods with their mass load, their full mass load, a massa a pieno carico, their full mass load, it don't come past 3.5 ton, superiore a 3,5 tonnellate. It don't come past 3.5 ton. You must put this pannello for your back. Now, attenzione. If at your mass load, you dey on the dot 3.5, it's not a must. You're not obliged, okay, to put this. Now, if at a mass load, your vehicle can weigh 2.9, 2.8, and all that, you're free. Now, when you come past 3.5, even if you're 3.5, 50, 3.6, you must put this pannello for your vehicle. Okay. So anytime we see them for vehicles like this, let's say their mass load, their full mass load, they don't pass 3.5 ton. Ok, let's go. Vanno applicati nella parte posteriore di tutti gli autoveicoli per trasporto di cose, che superano a pieno carico la massa di 3,5 tonnellate. Now, it says it has been applied at the back of all auto vehicles that transport things, that their full mass load, it don't come past 3.5 ton. It has been applied at their back. Sono fluorescenti e retroriflettenti. Now, it is reflective. It is shine. Shine, bulb. It is shine. Per migliorare la visibilità degli autoveicoli e chi sono applicati. Now, why they shine? Now, to make sure say the vehicle within the place for the back, it is visible for a better visibility, okay, of that vehicle in which it has been applied on. That is why it's like that, okay? Okay, now the last one we'll be talking about in this video is pannello per rimorchi adibiti a trasporto merci con massa a pieno carico superiore a 3,5 tonnellate. Now, the one we did was not for rimorchi. You know, rimorchi are trailers. Now, for rimorchi, you're going to see it this way. Okay, not the way we saw this one. This is red and yellow. Okay. Now, when it comes to remorque, their own is just yellow, as seen here. Okay, it's just as seen here. Now, let's read about it. Vanno applicati nella parte posteriore di tutti i rimorchi o semi-rimorchi per trasporto di cose che superano a pieno carico la massa di 3,5 tonnellate. Now, you see, it has been applied at the back of remorque and semi-remorque that transport things, okay? That their full mass load, it has passed 3.5 tonnellate. It is not superior, okay? Remember, if it is 3.5, va bene. If it is 2 points, va bene. But as long as it is more than 3.5, it must be applied. Okay, so when is more than 3.5, that is when you see them apply those Pannello. Individuano quindi un autotreno o un autoarticolati. So I've showed you autotreno, autoarticolati in my former video. So if you have not watched it, please go and watch it, because it also applies to this particular vehicles. Okay. Sono fluorescenti e retroriflettenti. This one too still they shine. They enter eye. Per migliorare la visibilità dei veicoli che sono applicati. Now, it help get better visibility of these vehicles. We say they apply on. It help their visibility for other users. They better. Okay. So. Okay, that is that for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you shared it. If you have not shared it, do that now. I beg you. Share that. Share this video so that others are going to learn and be a partaker. Okay? And please, if you have not subscribed, if you're just seeing my video for the first time, please do it to subscribe. And turn on your notification bell. Very, very important. So that anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to see it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.